Nope. You're going 24.
What do you mean, no?
I've already been up for like fucking 20 hours.
Yeah, 24.
Yeah, and yeah, 24-hour stream would be 8 hours. Crackhead.
Half-Baked is funny as fuck, dude. Half-Baked is so good, dude.
I don't even know what to do. Are we playing on here tomorrow?
So yeah,
Climb,
it's
climb.
a little late.
Well, tomorrow's the last day for tier 2, tier 3 wipe, dude. So yeah.
Well, I didn't know.
Our shops will be full of goopage, you know what I'm saying?
People just insane.
Yeah. Goopage. Time are you streaming until tomorrow? I don't know. Bro, what else do I need to bring? Fucking turret.
Cass, go to bed. She said there's a thunderstorm.
Oh my god, Cass.
It's peak sleep weather.
Guys, don't worry. I can mod and play at the same time.
Oh my god, Cass.
Cause something totally is
Think I'm
gonna
gonna miss all day
happen in
tomorrow?
the chat.
What? What? You make me cry? You gonna see me cry? Is that what you're saying right now? The fuck is a generator? What else do I need for this fucking thing? Guys.
You need a generator and you would.
You generate some fucking brain cells.
Oh, I don't want to generate brain cells. I'm cooked. I'm
Calm
cooked.
down there, bud.
I'm cooked.
You're cooked.
I'm cooked.